What's going on, Aquatic family? My name is Ryan from the Aquascape Gods, and in today's video, I'm going to be redoing all of this. I just moved into a new place, so time got away from me and I kind of neglected all the things that I have. This has green water. I haven't touched it in a whole 2 months. This completely dried up and I almost just shattered water everywhere right there. But this completely dried up. It's basically just dirt and some dead hair grass, and I kind of wanted to just fix it up and make it nice and presentable for people to come over and look at and be happy about and whatever. So let's get into it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's see what I can do with this. Okay, so there it is. tonight what I did was I basically just redid this. I made sure that the water was clean. I'm gonna add CO2 to it so that I can make this, you know, perfectly lush. It looks a little stringy, so I'm gonna be able to put CO2 in it so I can trim it and make it so it grows back absolutely amazing. This, I kind of just laid down the foundation, the hardscape for. I wanted to do more. I want to trim this tonight and put the stems in the back and make it lush, but that's for another video. This'll do for now. I'm happy with it. I think it looks a lot cleaner like this, and in the very near future, I'm gonna get everything fixed up and all completed. But for tonight, that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.